As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the Bighorn Outdoors Infrared Grill and the Char-Broil Performance Series. Got any insights?
Yeah, I've taken a look. The Bighorn is a tabletop broiler, right? That thing gets crazy hot, like 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit.
Exactly. It's all about that infrared searing. The Char-Broil, on the other hand, is a full-sized cart grill.
Right, so immediately, we're talking different scales. The Bighorn is smaller, more portable. The Char-Broil's got a cooking area of 475 square inches, plus a warming rack, which is way more space.
True. The Bighorn only has a 143 square inches cooking surface, but it heats up super fast with those 19,000 BTUs. How many BTUs does the Char-Broil have?
It's got 36,000 BTUs for the main burners, plus another 10,000 for the side burner. So more overall, but spread across a larger area. And it has 4 burners, giving you more control over different heat zones.
Good point. The Bighorn is more like a focused blast of heat. It's designed for quick searing. It even comes with a pizza stone.
Oh, nice! The Char-Broil doesn't have that. But it does have cast iron grates, which retain heat well and are porcelain coated for easy cleaning.
The Bighorn is stainless steel, so cleaning should be easy too, and is dishwasher safe. What about size and weight?
The Char-Broil is definitely bigger and heavier, at 85 pounds and dimensions of 25.8 dx 53.1 inches wx 45 inches h. The Bighorn is much smaller and lighter, about 31 pounds and dimensions of 16 dx 21.5 inches wx 15.4 inches h.
Okay, so if I want to sear steaks quickly and have something portable, the Bighorn is the better choice. But if I need to cook for a crowd and want more versatility, the Char-Broil wins.
Exactly. It really depends on your grilling needs and space. Oh, and the Char-Broil has an electronic ignition, which is really convenient.
Thanks. You've helped me a lot. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.